You all are doing good. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Bliss Trading Academy. We train people to trade on the Indian and the Forex market based on WD Gun strategy. For people who doesn't know about WD Gun, let me quickly show you. I won't take much of your time. There is a lot of information available in the internet already. So W.D. Gann was an extraordinary trader during 1900s, and he believed in the universe, in the solar system, the planet movements, and he believed these measurements and the movement of the planets creates an impact in the stock market. He did a research and did technical analysis based on these derivations, and he created strategies like square of 9, hexagon chart, circle of 360, and he proved this has more than 90% of accuracy. There is a master course available for WD Khan, which has nearly 464 pages. So what we did is we did a research on this document. We've spent many months and years to pick some of the best strategy that works absolutely perfect in the market. So today we are going to see about one of our strategy. We want to simplify the trade as simple as possible. So we have created an Excel sheet combining all the formulas and combinations where we can input certain information and it tells you where exactly you need to trade. Like that, today we are going to see one of the strategy called turning point strategy. It's our own strategy. We've named it as turning point strategy, which means one single candle is gonna act as a strong support and resistance throughout the day, right? So we are going to identify that particular candle based on the previous data. So for example, if you enter the previous day high and low, it shows the exact time of the candle where the market is going to turn. So that's why we call this as turning point candle. uh, let's see some of the examples so that you will have a better understanding of the strategy. It works absolutely perfect on any market, especially on the future and options like Nifty, Bank Nifty, Sensex, Fin Nifty, Bank X, whatever it is. But we've also tested in crude oil. This is absolutely stunning to see the results. Once you back this, you will come to know about the strategy. And let's quickly jump on to the chart and check some of the examples. This works only on the 5 minutes timeline. Uh, we can pick any date. It works on any market. So the market moved from here, it consolidated, and then it broke this level, right? So let's see the movement and consolidation, and even today's trade, like how it worked. So let's pick this as an example, maybe 7th of March. So the lowest of the day was 2246.475, 2246.475. The highest of the day was 2263.380. So the next trading date is 10th of March. So it gives a time, 9:50 a.m. So that is when the market is going to turn, and that candle is the important candle. So we are going to mark the high and low of the 9:50 a.m. candle on 10th of March. Let's see, 9:45 and 9:50. I hope you can see how magically the strategy works. All you need is you have to wait until the 9:50 a.m. candle to gets completed. You have to mark the high and low of the candle. If this gives a close above this level, you enter the trade above that particular candle, and if it gives a close below this level, you enter below the closed candle, right? So here you can see it didn't give a close, market went and got rejected. Let me zoom in a bit. It gave a close below this level, so you would have entered a trade here, the PE trade, and look at the moment. It is almost like 1:3 ratio for the day. So in our course we completely cover on how to calculate the risk reward ratio, on what basis you have to exit the market or enter the market. So the beauty of the strategy is, you can see we just mark the high and low of this particular candle, and the market respects that particular level throughout the day. Can you see? That's the perfect rejection for the day. So that's what a high probability setup means. And you can trade only 2 trades in a day. If you lose the call side, you can enter the put side. If you lose the put side, you can enter the call side. Not more than 2 trades in a day. Even if you see a loss, there are high chances to recover your losses on the next trade. While seeing the other examples, you might come to know. Let's see the other day's information. The high is 2267,675, 2267,675. The low is 22,429,05, 22,429,05. Each and every number is very important, so you have to be very accurate with the number. Only then you can get the exact turning point candle, because this sheet is formulated with a lot of formulas, so a single mistake will lead to a different turning point candle. So the next trading date is on 11th of March, right? So let's enter the date, 11th of March. So 9:35 a.m. candle will be the turning point candle. So we are going to mark the high and low of the 9:35 a.m. candle, 25:30. So this is the 9:35 a.m. candle. I'm just marking the high and low of this candle. Can you see it gave a close above this level? You would have entered a CE trade, and then look at the move. It is nearly 1:2 ratio for the day. Can you see the market moved up? It took support exactly on this level and moved, right? And another magic of this strategy is, you can identify the turning point candle 1 day in advance. So you can be prepared on like which candle you need to trade. If you're working on a corporate, if you don't have time to trade, you can just set an alarm for tomorrow's 9:30 a.m. You just directly jump into the market on that particular time. You take a trade, and then you can set your stop loss and target, and just you can do your regular works. So let's see the next day. The high is 22,52210, 22,52210. The low is 22,31470, 22,31470. So the next trading date beyond 12th of March. 12th of March. So this time 9:55 a.m. candle will be the turning point candle. Let's see what happens on the 9:55 a.m. candle. 9:50, and this one is the 9:55 a.m. candle. So I'm just marking the 9:55 a.m. candle. You see it gave a close. You would have entered a trade here, and then it's again a target. So we have different strategies. For those who took our course, they will know. We actually we would have taken a trade from here, we would have booked the profit, and then we would have taken a trade from here as a reversal strategy, and then we would have booked a profit here again. So for this strategy, if you see, this is the profit for the day. Let's see the next day again. Let's see a different instrument also. Let's go to Sensex. Let's try a different day. Any day it could be. I think it's a big moment. So let's see how this works on the trending market. It's the lowest was 73,796.06. 73,796.06. The highest of the day was 74,376.65. 74,376.65. So the next day is 18th of March. Okay, 18th of March. So 9:40 a.m. candle. See, actually we are calculating this a day in advance. So for example, if we are going to trade tomorrow, today we will get this answer once the market is closed, right? So we might not know what happens on this particular time, right? So let's see. It's 9:40 a.m. candle. So this one is the 9:40 a.m. candle. So look at this. We would have not entered here because this is a huge stop loss based on our set of rules. Even if you would have taken a trade here, the stop loss was not hit. But look at the power of the strategy. It took support exactly at this level. It's not a random data. It doesn't works on luck. It is pure data and calculation. It works on any market and on any date. You can backtest even many months and many years. It works absolutely fine, right? So it just gave a wick on this level. See how accurate this strategy is. This one particular candle is so powerful. So that is why we call it as turning point candle for the day, right? If you would have taken a trade here, you would have booked the profit. And see how simple trading could be by using this strategy, and how powerful it could be at the same time, right? So that's the power of our strategy. So what we are going to do is let's check the latest information for today, or maybe I think it's already 4:12, so the market would have closed. Let's mark tomorrow's turning point candle, and then we will come back tomorrow to see how that worked in the market. The high is 764625, 76456.25, 75684, 75684. I think it's 58, right? 75684, 75684.5 days, that's right. So tomorrow's date will be 21 of March. So tomorrow 10 a.m. candle will be the turning point candle for Sensex. Let's mark the candle. It's 10 a.m. turning point candle. Okay. Let's go to Bank Nifty. The high of the day 515530, 515530, low 49,77165. Next trading date is 21 of March. That's great. Even for Bank Nifty, it's going to be 10 a.m. candle. Okay, let's see Nifty. Low 22,973.95. The high 2321670. Okay, for Nifty, it's gonna be the 9:25 a.m. candle. So we are gonna come back tomorrow on a new video to see how this particular candle worked on the market. So thank you for all your patience and watching this entire video without skipping any content. I hope you like this video. If you would like to know more about this video, you can contact us in the number that we have given in the description. If you would like to see more content like this in YouTube, then please subscribe our channel, hit a like icon, and then leave a comment. That will really help us to improvise our videos. So thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Thank you.